y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Raviana, and today I have this really pretty water wave wig unit sent from UNICE hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So this is a 100% glueless, you guys, and perfect for the spring season. So of course you get everything that you need to cater for your wig install straight out of the box. This install today will actually be straight out of the box, you guys, and it took me really no time to, do my hair. So as for the specs of this wig unit, again, they sent this water wave texture in a 7x5 HD lace closure. My wig is also a 24-inch and 180% density, and as you guys could see, this is their updated lace wig cap. So I absolutely love this wig cap construction, especially for glueless wig units, you guys, because your wig really isn't going anywhere. So I also love the smaller bands that's in the back, and yeah, like this is a really good wig cap construction in my opinion, especially if you're a girl who loves glueless wigs. Now again, I am a frontals girl, and they have been sending me a lot of glueless wig units, so I can't wait till I get back to my lace front wigs. I guess I'm just giving my hairline a break, I guess, but yeah, this is going to be a very quick install, you guys. I am literally just using water and mousse. You will see me use the mousse a little later down the line, but this is definitely going to be one of those straight out of the box installs, very quick. I am just going in with the water to pretty much break up the curls. I actually didn't use any brushes or combs to curlify my hair. You guys know that, in my older videos when I had like time and stuff like that, I would really come on camera with my hair already curl defined and my hair already fluffy, but for the sake of these short hair videos, I don't have time to do all of that, so excuse that, but it just is what it is these days. So I am literally just taking the water and just kind of like spritzing the hair. I don't want to make it like extremely damp at all, and I'm making sure that I get it on the ends as well, because you have to make sure that you not only do you get the top, you get the bottom. Okay, so I'm making sure my hair lays flat. But I will have to say, like, straight out of the box, they did a really good job with this middle part. The hairline is beautiful as well, and my hair is also up on the thicker side. Now when it comes to UNICE's wigs, I personally prefer their 180% density wigs over their 150%. I think that their 150% is just a little too thin for my liking, but I do understand that there's girls who don't like a wig full of hair. You get what I mean? So, I don't know. I think that hair density is definitely a preference thing, but for my liking, once again, their 150% densities are just a little too thin for me. But good thing that this one is a 180% density. I also want to, bring to the light that their water wave wig units have very much come, it's come along, because I remember their water wave wigs wouldn't really have too much of a wave or curl. So I would have to give them their 10s for this one, because this one actually has a curl or a wave to it. Like, it's actually very, very defined, and I really do like that. If I can find a picture of like an older water wave wig unit from UNICE, I will make sure I put it in this video so that you guys could see the difference in textures. But they have definitely come a long way, and I absolutely love this texture, because you can actually get away with your wig being curly or water wave. So I really do like that I have like pretty much like an option. Also, it's not too curly to where you're not able to straighten your hair, things of that such. So I love this wig unit. I think that it's really, really cute. You can definitely get away with making sure that you have a really nice frontal, because I'm a frontals girl. But very beautiful wig unit in my opinion. The lace is really good. The parting space looks really natural, you guys. The curl pattern is bomb, and you guys should definitely check it out. So I'll see you guys in my next video.
This girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is is someone